Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Lovable AI. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your Lovable AI, and then you will go to your settings, so which is under here, your profile. And then what you will do after going to your settings, you will basically just go to custom domains and make sure that it is actually visible for you, and you have the full plan or version of the website so that you will be able to actually see it. So after clicking custom domains, you will just have to click add domain, and then next you will enter your domain, your Namecheap domain name, and after that you will log into your Namecheap account, and then you will go to domain list, which is right here under the account section. And basically what you will have to do is log into your go to manage if it is visible here, if you already have your domains. And then after that, you will just have to click Advanced DNS and then create a CNAME record pointing to Lovable AI's target, or an A record if specified. And finally, back in your Lovable account, you will have to click Verify Domain and check that your site loads correctly. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.